Hey, maybe we could jump into the first slide. And I know that a lot of times people need to have a quick understanding of a company. And I thought maybe where we could start is by having you give an overview of Ramco and really who they are and what do they do.
Sure, Mark. First of all, thanks a lot. It's a pleasure to join you in this conversation. And I'd also like to extend a very warm welcome to the entire audience. And I hope they're going to find this session very useful. So to start about Ramco, Ramco is an ERP product organization, and we are based out of India, and we provide highly verticalized products. In fact, we have specialized products that we've developed ground up for several verticals. And what we'll be speaking about today, of course, is our product that we've built ground up for the aviation M&E and the MRO segment. So we serve three primary subsegments, the specialty operators, the airline organizations, as well as the MROs. And we have seen very strong success in the defense space as well. We've been in the industry, as Mark was mentioning, for over 25 years. And we have a very strong focus on an ERP class product and innovation in general. We've executed and partnered with over 90 customers across the globe who've used our platform for mission critical operations. So that's a brief overview about the company itself. Mark, over to you.
Yeah, it's really very, very interesting because I know that when people don't completely understand a company, with a great deal of comprehensiveness or what the customer base is, people don't realize that you have such a broad coverage, all the way from airlines to helicopters to military, to engines, and then more advanced vehicles. And so I think that's really very interesting to know that.